So in our human body, what is that? The kidneys, nothing but the what is that? Nephrons are filtered. After the filtration, these are excretion, large amount of the uric acid outside of the body. So as well as additionally, some organs are also responsible for the elimination of what is that toxic material from their body, those known as a accessory excretory organ. So there is a accessory excretory organs, majorly liver, skin, and what is that, lungs. These three are main accessory excretory. First one is lungs. These are also responsible for elimination of excess amount of the toxic material and excess amount of the water also. But the lungs are also act like one of the accessory excretory organ. It is one of the largest gland. It is one of the largest gland in our body. So what is the important? It is, what is that? Ornithine cycle was occurs in the liver's region. Ornithine cycle. What I am saying? Ornithine cycle was occurs in the liver region. So the excess amount of the, nothing but the amino acids are elimination from the nitrogen group converts into deamination. Nothing but the deamination process. The deamination process is occurs in which region? In which region? Occurs in liver. Occurs in, sorry, I'm very sorry, liver, sorry. Deamination process was occurs in liver region. It is one of the largest gland in our body. So deamination, nothing but D means elimination. D means removal, removing. Elimination. Which one? Ammonia. Elimination of the ammonia. The elimination of the ammonia method, removing of ammonia group, removing of the amino acids, removing of ammonia acids from the nitrogen group. Removing of, note down, removing of amino acids from removing of amino acids from nitrogen group. That is called as a amination. That is called deamination. The removing of amino acids from the nitrogen group. So where is the amino acid? Which food containing rich amount of the ammonia? Which food containing rich amount of the ammonia? Rich amount of the what is that? Rich amount of the proteins. Most of the pulses and meat containing excess amount of the, what is that, amino? Nothing but proteins are there. So excess amount of the proteins are converts into deamination process and elimination of the amino acids. So this amino acid process was occurs in the liver region. It is converts. The process is known as a ornithine cycle. Which process? Ornithine cycle process. These are elimination of excess amount of the ammonia or urea converts into outside of the body. This amino converts into urea. Amino acids converts into urea. So finally nitrogen converts into amino acids to urea form. So the urea cycle was occurs in the liver. The which cycle? The cycle is known as a ornithine cycle. And as well as, so in this process, nothing but the emulsification, the fat, what is that fat, converts into simple lipids form or glycerol form. In the emulsification process, liver, note down, liver secretes two juices that is known as a bilirubin and biliverdin. That is called as a hepatic juices. That is known as hepatic juices. This excess amount of the hepatic juices are also excretes to the outside of the body through the urine and what is that, fecal material. The bilirubin and biliverdin. Excess amount of the bilirubin and biliverdin also excretes through the urine or fecal material. Liver is one of the largest organ in our body. It is elimination. It is also responsible for act like another excretory, what is the accessory excretory organ in our body. So the deamination process was occurs in our body in liver region. Which region? In the liver region. The excess amount of the what is the nitrogens converts into ammonia. The process of deamination. So the ammonia converts into urea. So the urea cycle was occurs in the liver region. The cycle is called as the ornithine cycle. The urea was converts into ammonia converts into urea. The urea cycle was occurs in our liver region. That cycle is known as the ornithine cycle. Okay, clear? So that is process known as the deamination process. So this is one of the process. Next one is in fat converts into glycerol. That is known as emulsification process. The liver secretes hepatic juices into duodenum region. Are you clear? So the excess amount of the what is that hepatic juices? So these are releasing outside of the body through the urine and fecal material. That is known as the bilirubin and bilirubin. Next one, second one is liver, sorry, lungs. So lungs are also one of the act like what is that another accessory excretory organ. So daily our lung daily means approximately it is excretes 18 liters of the carbon dioxide per day by the catabolic process. Further, catabolic process, nothing but the lungs are nothing but the lungs are doing respiration. Very important. Lungs are doing respiration. We know that respiration. Respiration is a which process? Catabolic process. Catabolic process. What is the meaning of catabolic process? Breakdowning of glucose. Note down. Catabolic nothing but breakdown. Breakdowning of glucose. Breakdowning of the glucose and converts into energy. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Respiration is one of the catabolic processes. We know that. Yes. It is what is the catabolic process? Catabolic nothing but breakdowning. Breakdown. Which one breakdown? Glucose is breakdown and releasing of the ATP. Some water also releasing. Water, some amount of the water and along with ATP, adenosine triphosphate also releasing. So, and as well as the releasing of ATP for their respiration. For their respiration are doing metabolic activities. Doing metabolic activities. Are you clear? Let's later. Yes, after the metabolic, after the respiration, our lungs releasing some amount of the carbon dioxide through outside of the lung. How much? In approximately every time is 0.5 liters of carbon dioxide elimination through the lungs. Clear? Per a minute it is releasing 18 liters. 18 liters of carbon dioxide comes out inhalation and exhalation through the lungs. So it is also one of the accessory excretory organ. Are you clear? So lungs are also one of the organ. It is also doing some act like accessory excretory organ. Respiration is one of the catabolic process. In this process, there is a breakdowning of the glucose and converts into energy. The energy nothing but ATP form. It is utilizing from their metabolic activities such as respiration, circulation, locomotion, each and everything, anything. That is nothing. So after utilizing of this energy, the lungs are exhalation of some amount of the carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide is elimination along with some amount of the water also. Some moisture, not a water, some moisture. Both are elimination through our lungs. So approximately for a minute it is what is that exhalation approximately 18 liters per a minute. Last one is skin. Skin, we know that skin is one of the organ. It is also one of the act like a accessory excretory organ. So skin containing more number of the upper openings are there. That is known as the sweat glands are there. The sweat glands are what is that? Excretes sebum along with sweat. Skin it is secretes or excretes excess amount of the water, excess amount, what I am saying, excess amount of the water, and some amount of the sebum, sebum also excess, sebum nothing but oils, excretion through the skin. The skin, it is responsible after the completion of the catabolic process, some heat is generated in our body. Some catabolic process was completed, some amount of the heat is produced or generated in our body. So that heat is completely regulated by the sweat glands. When the sweat glands are secreting some amount of the sweat, nothing but what is the sweat. So to controlling of body temperature. So it is also one of the excretion. Next one, sebum, oil. What is that? In this, the body also secreting some amount of the sebum for prevention of microbes attacks. So this is the some of the accessory excretory organ. What are they? How many? 3 are there. First one is lungs, the liver, lungs and skin. Next one, disorders of excretory system.